We're going to talk about metabolism. Metabolism is a combination of two types of processes, anabolism and catabolism. Anabolism are build-up reactions, whereas catabolism are made up of breakdown reactions. For example, in the case of anabolism, we're talking about amino acids coming together to make a protein, a large structure. So you're building something. With catabolism, we're talking about glucose being broken down to provide energy in the form of ATP. Let's take a close look at cellular respiration, which is an example of a catabolic process. It is the breakdown of glucose to provide energy in the form of ATP. Cellular refers to cells, and respiration refers to breathing. When we breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. The cell is no different. Oxygen goes into the cell and carbon dioxide comes out. So what is the purpose of all this? The purpose is to break down glucose to provide energy in the form of ATP. So the overall process of cellular respiration is written as glucose plus 6 molecules of oxygen gives you 6 molecules of water, 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, and 36 ATP. Now the glucose is the fuel that the cell needs and breaks down. And the product that the cell desires is the 36 ATP. So for a single glucose molecule, you can get 36 ATP if the glucose is completely broken down. And this happens only in the presence of oxygen. That's why we need the oxygen. The byproduct, water, is useful to the cell. However, the other byproduct, carbon dioxide, is toxic. So we must get rid of it. This is why we breathe in oxygen. It is to break down glucose fully. And we breathe out carbon dioxide because if carbon dioxide accumulates in the cell and in the bloodstream, it becomes toxic.